Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Blaze and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I did say there was going to be a change happening to my channel and this is one of them. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you'd know that I do a lot of beauty and makeup videos. So as well as doing that, this year I'm going to be incorporating more lifestyle and more health, more fitness, because I've taken a very keen interest into it and it's something that I've been enjoying a lot lately, more so this year as well. So as well as doing makeup videos and all the cosmetic side, I want to incorporate more fashion, more lifestyle, more health, more fitness, more sit down and talks with you as well. So before I jump into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and do that. Hit the red button down below and keep up to date with all my newest videos. If you do want to be notified when I do upload a video, then don't forget to hit that notification bell as well, and it will notify you every time that I upload a video. This year I'm really excited. I've decided to start a series on my channel. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it, but I feel like it's something fun and it's something different, and I feel like you guys can get involved as well because you can also give me suggestions on what you'd like me to make. So this year I've got a series happening to my channel. This is the first episode of the series this year and it's called Cooking with Blaze. So those who know me know I'm not the best cook, but I've decided that if I can cook these meals that I'm going to show you, I feel like anyone could do them. Because as I said, I'm not the best cook. So if you can see me doing it and they turn out alright, then I 100% guarantee you'll be able to do them as well. So in this series, it's going to cover a whole bunch of things. So obviously it's going to be me cooking different meals. But these are going to be me cooking different health meals. So it's going to be meals that you guys can cook at home as well. Meals that aren't too hard to make. As I said, I'm not the best cook, but if I can do it, then you can do it. And I feel like it will give you guys some more ideas if you're not too sure what you feel like making, or if you want to make a few healthy snacks or maybe some dinner, because this series is going to cover so many different things. It's going to cover snacks, breakfast, dinner, lunches. It's going to cover the whole thing. And I feel like that you guys will be able to take some of these ideas and incorporate it in your own style at home if you want to start eating a bit healthier, or you know, start living a healthier lifestyle. Because what I've realized is that I'm not exactly on a diet. Like, I have lost weight. I've lost about 7 kilos now. So it's not all about me losing the weight. It's more about me incorporating the meals and the exercise I've been doing just to make myself live a healthier lifestyle. And since I've been doing this year, I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel so much better and I'm so happy with the way things are going, and I just don't want to stop. Like, I've taken such a liking to it. It's like I've become a fiend of eating healthy and going to the gym and making myself feel better. When I wake up in the morning, I feel so much better about myself. So as you guys can probably already tell by the title, I'll stop rambling on. I'm going to show you how to make really easy but healthy protein balls. Let's get straight into it. If you want to see how to make some healthy protein balls, then please keep watching. I absolutely love the lighting in my kitchen. Why can't it be like this in my room? Okay, so first things first, you're going to need a bowl. A bigger bowl than usual because this is what's going to hold all your ingredients in here. And then I've also got myself a plate, and this is where I will be putting my protein balls on. Okay, so I'll start with showing you what ingredients that you're going to need. Again, you can mix it up to how you like. You can put, you know, a bit less, a bit more. You can change the ingredients around. It's totally up to you. So first things first, you're going to need some roasted cashews. So I bought 2 boxes here because I'm gonna make a bit more. You can buy these at Woolworths, you can buy these at Coles, totally up to you. So you're gonna need some roasted cashews. Okay, so you're also going to need a blender. I've got a NutriBullet, so I'm just going to be using this to blend up my food today. But you just use what you have at home. Don't go out and buy a NutriBullet if you don't have one. You can pick up blenders real cheap from Kmart if you don't have a blender at all. But really anything will really do as long as it can just chop up the food. More ingredients that you're going to need is you're going to need some pitted dates. Make sure that they're pitted, that way they don't have the seeds in them. If you do buy the dates with the seeds in them, you're just gonna have to take the seeds out and it's just a bit of a longer process. You can buy these again at Coles, Woolworths, your local supermarket, I'm sure will have them. I've then just got here some Australian white chia seeds. So again, all the stuff that I'm showing you guys, I bought it all in either Woolworths or Coles just about. So I got some chia seeds here as well that we're going to use. So here I've got the organic maca powder. So again, I just picked this up at Woolworths. I think you can get them for about $15 to $20, or maybe it's about $12 to $15. But yep, so the maca powder. Now you are going to need some honey. Now this is just regular Australian honey here. I would have preferred to use organic honey or natural honey, but I've actually run out, so we're just going to go with the good old Coles brand honey here. Okay, so then you're going to need some cacao powder. I actually bought this at a health store, so any health store that you guys have close to home probably sells this. But again, you can also pick it up most likely in your local supermarket. I know Woolworths and Coles sell it, but at the time Woolworths was sold out, so I just went to the health store and I bought it from there. The health store that I went to is called Health Life. They sell a whole lot of health supplements, and this is one of the things that I picked up from them. Okay, so I just picked up some natural vanilla extract. So that's another ingredient that you'll need to make your protein balls taste extra yummy. And then I just bought some shredded coconut. Now it's your choice whether you want to mix this in with your ingredients or you want to roll the protein balls at the end in it. I preferably like to mix it in with my ingredients as opposed to roll it at the end, but totally up to preference, totally up to you guys. Then of course the last ingredient is the protein powder. This one I have in chocolate. This is the deluxe whey protein powder. I've actually got the big box of it. It's 3 kilos. Again, don't go out and buy a massive box like this. You don't need to. You can actually do the protein balls with or without this. If you add this in it just makes it more of a protein ball. If you take it out, it's basically just like a health ball. Some of the ingredients like the chia seeds will give you that source of omega and protein, but again, you don't need to go all out. If you can't afford to go out and buy the protein powder, then you can definitely just do it without this and it will still be healthy as well, but I just prefer to put the protein in my protein. Okay, so first we're going to start off with blending up the roasted cashews. So I'm just going to pop them in my cup here, and then we're going to blend them up with the NutriBullet. Oh. Okay, so I've just blended the cashews up and this is what it's looking like after it's blended. So I'm just gonna pop that into my bowl. And because I am making more protein balls today than usual, I'm just going to add another container of it in here as well. Oh, that was a complete fail. Just dropped them everywhere. Okay, so that's our nuts there. I know it looks like a lot when it's been blended up, but trust me, when you start rolling it into balls, it's really not going to be as much as what you think it is, and I need to make enough so it will last me and my family the rest of the week. Okay, so I just realized my camera wasn't filming. So I'm going to be adding now some chia seeds. So chia seeds are actually really good for omega-3 and they actually have a really good source of fiber. Now I've already put 1 scoop of chia seeds in my bowl. You just didn't see that because my camera wasn't filming. But I'm going to add 2 scoops of that. So I've got my little scoop here. I don't know if you can see this or if it's focusing. So I've got my scoop here. I don't know if it's actually focusing on my scoop, but yes. So we got another scoop of chia seeds. So I'm just going to mix that all about in there. Okay, so far it's just looking like this. So we've got our cashews and our chia seeds. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the organic maca powder. Maca powder is actually really good for an extra source of energy and vitality. So I'm just gonna put 1 scoop of that in our bowl and that will give us an extra source of energy. So we just have 1 scoop. Just going to tip that all in there. Maca powder, you can also, it's really good because you can use it in, you know, cereal bowls, smoothies, protein shakes. It's really, really good for you. Okay, so we've just got that in there now. So we've got the cashews, the chia seeds, and the maca powder. The maca powder, like I said before, really, really good for you. So if you can get your hands on it, I'll definitely try and get some. Okay, so now we are just going to grab our shredded coconut. Okay, so I'm just going to tip some of the shreds in here. About that much will do. I would say that's about a cup worth, maybe half a cup. Okay, so I've just blended the coconut shreds up. So I'm just getting it all down the bottom. So this is the coconut when it hasn't been blended. So it's a bit stiff and hard and it's like strawish, and then this is when it's been blended up, it's like powder. So that's why I like it to be like that, so it just runs really smoothly through my protein balls. So I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. Looks like snow. Okay, so it's looking like that right now. Our bowl's getting quite full. So this is why you need a big bowl, because it's getting quite full. Okay, so now we're going to add the cacao powder. So I'm just going to sprinkle that on top. Now, if you aren't using protein, then you can probably use a bit more of this. This is what will give it that nice chocolatey taste. But because I am using protein powder, I just put a light coating on the top, as you can see. That's what will give our protein balls that chocolate flavor. Okay, so now I'm going to be using some of the protein powder. So I've actually got a bigger scoop for the protein powder. So when I was using the scoop for the chia seeds, you can see the difference in size. This one's a lot bigger, this one's a lot smaller. So I'm just going to be using this scoop, and I'm just going to put probably 1 to 1.5 to no more than 2 scoops of the protein powder. Okay, so I've decided to only go with 1.5 scoops for the protein powder. So let's put that on top. So as you can see now, our protein balls is seriously looking like a mountain of chocolate, but I promise you it's healthy and it will taste great. Okay, so now I'm just going to be using some of the vanilla extract. I'm probably gonna put around 1 to 2 teaspoons of this in here. This is the natural one, so it's a bit more jelly. So it just looks like that. I'm just going to put that all over. Alright, I'll just put a little bit more. Alright, so I've put about 1.5 on there, but it's up to you. You can put 1.5, 1 or 2, totally up to your preference. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the honey. Like I said before, my preference would be organic or natural honey. So if that's what you want to go for, then 100% try and grab that. I'm just using this one because I've run out of the natural honey. So we're just going to basically dribble this all over the top of our bowl. This will give it flavor and make the ingredients stick together. Okay, so now we're going to grab our pitted dates and I'm going to put it in our container here. Ew, dates look so disgusting. Okay, so I've filled it up to about a cup maybe. I'd say that's about a cup to half a cup of pitted dates. The way that you know when this is blended up enough, it'll go to that caramelly color. That's what you're looking for, and then you know it's ready. Okay, so you can see I've blended up the dates and it's that caramelly color and it's all sticky. So we just go to pop that into our bowl. Okay, so we've put all the dates in there now, and this is the yucky bit where you got to get your hands dirty and you kind of mush them all together and make them into some protein balls. Make sure you always wash your hands before you do this. I've already done that before I even started cooking, so let's get to it. Okay, so that's the end of the video, guys. That is my 15-minute protein ball recipe. It is super duper easy to do, really easy steps to follow. If you need, just get a pen and a paper and write my steps out. It is so easy. If I can do it, you can do it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. These are my protein balls over here. The batch I did made 15, so that is a perfect amount that I need for myself and my family if they want to eat them as well. I like to have 1 or 2 a day. Sometimes I might have one before I go to the gym. But yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming this video. This is the first video of my series Cooking with Blaze. So if you do want to tune in on this little series of mine, then definitely don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that notification so you get reminded every time I upload a video. If you do want to see more videos like this, then definitely give me a big thumbs up. If you did enjoy this video again, then definitely give me a big thumbs up. I am more than happy to continue to do these videos. Like I said, it's going to be a series, so I will bring out these types of videos, cooking with Blaze. So if you want to sit down, chill out, learn some new healthy, easy recipes, and come hang out with me, then definitely tune in and I'll see you all in my next video. Alright, bye everyone!